But Sadhguruji, Kangana has come out. She's a woman and at the moment seems like a lone ranger. Yes, people have come forward to support her, but there are a whole lot of critics, starting from senior members of the film industry, of the creative world, who have come out and said that what she's saying about this industry is actually in Hindi they say thali mein ched karne jaisa hai, whereas Kangana has been made the target of even government action, where a demolition of her house with a 24-hour notice has taken place by the MCD, which even the Bombay High Court has called malafide. Do you see this as a war that we often call in Mahabharat, the war between the good and the evil, the right or the wrong, or do you think too much is being made out of it?
This is why we have been constantly talking about this, and a lot of people don't realize the significance. Till something goes wrong with themselves or something that is dear to them or in somebody else's life who are dear to them, the most important aspect of nation building is to make it a law-abiding nation. When we say a law-abiding nation, we don't always go about talking what is right and wrong. Many times the law, you may end up on the wrong side of the law, but you may think you're very right. So it's important that we become law-abiding. It may not feel like justice many times, but still we are law-abiding, because being law-abiding means a larger justice will happen to the society as a whole. It doesn't matter where you're placed, whether you're capable, incapable, whether you're rich or poor. When the society becomes law-abiding, not in terms of personal justice, but there will be a balance in the society. I think if there is any laws being broken, either by the administration or either by the people, or it doesn't matter who they are. First of all, why do we have to think that somebody is a celebrity, somebody is an ordinary person? That is only a social status. As far as the constitution is concerned, as far as the nation is concerned, when we become a law-abiding nation, we don't even have to think whether somebody is a celebrity or not. Law is law and it must work equally for everybody else. It does not work that way simply because we still have this thing about who is important, who is not important, for who the law should work, for whom it should not work. This has to go. It's a long way, but still, this is a good time for all of us to understand and act. Above all, a young person's life has been lost. Justice should happen to them. Everybody should know what is the truth. I hope the investigating agencies will come out with the right solutions for that.